Onyx, I'm sure your parents have been proud of you noon-noon pa. But they're even more proud dahil nandito ka sa Philippine Idol. Meron ka bang gusto sabihin sa kanila?
Para sa inyo to, para sa lahat ng tao, sa lahat ng mga kaubigan, mga nakakantayin ko. And I just hope na after nito, talagang may pagmalaki nyo talaga ako.
Alright, of course. Eh, malak niya ng bahay mo nun eh. Onyx, what are you gonna sing tonight? What are you gonna sing tonight?
I'll be singing Wildflower.
Wildflower. Here you go, Onyx Colada with Wildflower.
She's faced the hardest times you could imagine. And many times her eyes fought back the tears. And when her youthful world was about to fall, each time her slender shoulders bore the weight of all her fears. The silence no one hears still rings in midnight silence in your ears. Let her cry, oh, she's faded. Let her dream, for she's a child. Let the rain fall down upon her. She's a free and gentle flower growing wild. If by chance that I should go, let me hold her for a time. If allow just one possession, I will linger from the garden to be mine. Let her fly, oh, she's faded. Let her dream, for she's a child. Let the rain fall down upon her. She's a free and gentle flower growing wild. She's a flower growing wild.
Onyx Colada! Attorney, ito na. Buhusgahan ka na ng mga judges natin. FM, you're up. One word. Interesting. Interesting. Okay sa'yo, interesting?
Yes, of course.
Good enough? Alright. Mamita.
Attorney, nagulat ako sa'yo.
Talaga po. Bakit? Bakit?
Parang he has improved from the first time that we saw him. Talagang nag-improve siya ngayon.
Naganda po yun.
Fantastic. Very good. Very good.
Alright. Salamat sa Mamita. Mr. C.
I agree with Mamita.
Yes!
Truth is, I didn't expect you to sing good tonight, but it was a very big improvement from the first time, even from last week. But it might be a little too late. Baka maiwanan ka ng trend. So hopefully we will.
Okay. Are, sabi ng judges natin, interesting. Nag-improve. But it might be too late. Can you say about that?
I'm very happy po sa mga comments ninyo. Thank you very much po. And you've helped me with your past comments po. It helped me constructively. So, I try to improve ngayon. I guess it's not too late kasi meron pa eh. Laban pa to eh.
Laban!
Alright. It's not too late. Tama si Onyx because it's you guys who will decide. This
Go,
is
Onyx!
what Onyx did. You think he's improved. You text Onyx with ONYX and send it to 2339 using Smart and other networks. Kung PLDT landline naman ang gagamitin ninyo, tawagan nyo lang. 5-Idol04. Again, 19085-Idol04. But as always, you do that at the end of the show when we give you the Go Signal. Kung hindi po, masasayang ang inyong mga boto. And you can text as many times as you want. Hindi lang isang beses, pinapayagan natin bigyan sa Philippine Idol. Thank you very much, Onyx.
Thank you.